Exercise 9.3. Second problem C here. The question is given to you. Find the 12th term of the geometric progression whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. So these are the two things are given to you. 12th term of the geometric progression we need to find out, and the 8th term is given to you. So given A8 is equals to 192 and the common ratio R is equals to 2. So A8 is nothing but in the geometric progression A r to the power of 7. So small a r to the power of 7 is equals to 192. R value is 2. 2 substitute for lo and A value find out for. A into 2 power 7 is equals to 192. So A into 2 power 7 value 128. Yes, 128 is equals to 190. So A is equals to 192 by 158. This is A value, and asking for you to find out the 12th term. 12th term, whenever it is asking, you keep that this 128 as it is. Even 2 power 7 also you can keep it. Because A value, if it is given to you 2 power 7 also, you keep it 2 power 7, no need to simplify it. So asking for you to find out 12th term. So 12th term of the geometric progression can be find out. 12th term A12 is equals to A r to the power of 11. And A is equals to what we have 192 by 2 power 7 into R 2 power 11. That's why I didn't cancel here. So we are going to get 192 into 2 power 4. 11 minus 7 are there. 11 minus 7 is nothing but 4. So which is equals to 192 into 16. 16 says multiply, then whatever the answer you are getting. Okay. Is it clear to you? Next, here, fourth questions here. Find the fourth term of the geometric progression. Sorry, the fourth term of the geometric progression is the square of the second term. Fourth term is square of the second term. And the first term is minus 3. Determine the seventh term. What are the given things are there that you write here? So what are the given things here in this? First, R, it is given to you. Sorry, first term is given to you, minus 3. So given A is equals to minus 3. And also given to you fourth term of the geometric progression. That is nothing but A4 is the equal to square of the second term. So A2 square. And asking to you to find out seventh term. Seventh term is asking. So what do you do? A4 is nothing but A r to the power of 3 is equals to A. Second term is nothing but AR whole square. So A r cube is equals to A square R square as it is given. So A and this square and cube will get cancelled. We are going to get it. A is equals to R. So R is equals to A value minus 3. So R value also minus 3, A value also minus 3. And asking for you to find out the seventh term. So seventh term, A7 is equals to AR to the power of 6. So A is minus 3. Minus 3. And R is also minus 3. Minus 3 to the power of 6. So which is equals to minus 3 to the power of 7. Right? No need to expand that. Minus 3 to the power of 7 very big value aayega. So let it be like that. It's not necessary. Next, fifth question. Which term of the following sequences means sequence is given to you? In that sequence, 128 is which term is asking? Okay. So like that, every sequence is given to you. One sequence is given to you, and that sequence in that term number is asking you. So that means we need to consider that whatever it is asking, that is nth term. Nth term, we need to consider it as a nth term. So fifth one, first problem see here. The given at geometric progression nahi bola. This sequence is given to you. 2 root 2, 4, and so on. In this sequence, 128 is which number? Which term of the following is? Means a term number kya hai? 128. So this forms an geometric progression which is in geometric progression, in which a is equals to 2, r is equals to 2 root 2 by 2, which is equals to root 2. Let that 128 as a, let an is equals to 128. Nth term you consider. Then what you get here? A r to the power of n minus 1 is equals to 128. A value is 2. Root 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equals to 128 is 2 power 7. So 2 power 7. So then root 2 to the power of root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2. Root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 equal to this. You are going to send it to right. So you are going to get 2 power n minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 power 6. So from this n minus 1 by 2 is equals to 6 aega. N minus 1 is equals to 12. N equal to 30. Like this n value in. So 128 in this sequence is 13th term. 13th term is 128. So in the same way, second question is given to you root 3, 3, 3 root 3. You observe that they are in geometric progression because root 3 every time is multiplied. Third question I will explain to you. It's a little bit lengthy, it is given to you. So you may get confused here. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, and so on. 1 by 19,683 here. 19,683 is power, which power of 3 find out karna, factorize karna. So first actually whenever you observe this one, here a is equals to 1 by 3 and r is equals to also 1 by 3. 1 by 3 we are multiplying. Okay. Let an is equals to 1 by number kya hai? 19,683. So a r to the power of n minus 1 is equals to 1 by 19,680. So a value is 1 by 3. R value is also 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1. This is equals to 1 by, ये दोनों same है ना? Here itself, you factorize here. इसको power form में लिखो. 19,683 power 3. 3 से divide हो. Because obviously whenever you see that it is 3 से divide होगा. Check करने का भी जरूरत है. 3 6 है 18, 3 5 है 15, 3 6 है 18, 3 1. Again it is divisible by 3 2 है 3 1 है 26. 3 8 are 24, 21, 3 7. Again it is divisible. 3 7 are 21. 3 2 are 6, 3 9 are. And 729, you know that it is 9 cube. इधर तक कर लिया. 729 is 9 cube. That is nothing but 3 power 6. इधर 3 power. So this is 3 power 9. समझ में आया ना? पूरा कंप्लीट करने का जरूरत नहीं. ये नंबर तो याद नहीं रहेगा. Then better you do it. So this can be written as 1 by 3 power 9 or 1 by 3 whole power 9. Can we write? Now here what we get? 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 plus 1. N is equals to 1 by 3 whole to the power of 9. So n is equals to 9. Problem is not complicated. थोड़ा सा less famous. Okay? Is it clear to you? In the second problem, I left to you that you do it as a homework. That at least you need to do that. Next. Sixth question. For what value of the x these numbers are in geometric progression? Three numbers are given to you. Minus 2 by 7, x minus 7 by 2 are in geometric progression. These are in geometric. When they are in geometric progression, x is called geometric mean. X is the geometric mean of minus 2 by 7 and minus 7 by 2. That is nothing but A, B, C are in geometric progression means A, M, D are geometric progression, M square equal to A. X square equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. So the x square is equals to 1 we are going to. So x is equals to kya hoga? Yes, we are going to get the two answers, plus or minus 1. So don't get confused here. X square equal to 1 means x value is plus or minus 1. Here if you take the plus 1, you are going to get the geometric progression. Here if you take the minus 1, geometric. But if you take the plus 1, then what is the common ratio we are going to get? X equal to plus 1 means common ratio is plus 1 means minus 7 by 2. If you are taking plus 1 here, the common ratio is minus 7 by 2. If you are taking minus 1 here, common ratio is plus 7 by 2. Okay, so this is the thing you need to remember here. X is equals to plus or minus 1. So next here, find the sum indicated in each of the following questions from 7 to 10. So here it is given that and the sum you need to find out here. Okay, in the questions from 7 to 10, SN find out karna. And you need to remember here 7th one. We have not discussed about the sum of the infinity terms of the geometric progression actually. Sum of the infinity terms, here it is not given to you, only terms, a number of terms only given to you. But sum of the infinity terms also will be there if the geometric progression is decreasing geometric progression. Decreasing geometric progression, then it will be there. We will discuss according to the time whenever it is possible. So, but the first question is given as 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015, and so on. Like this, 20 terms, sum we need to find out. 20 terms, sum we need to find out here. Okay. So, what is the A here? 0.15. Common ratio R is equals to 0.015 by 0.15. So what do you get this one? कंफ्यूजन ये बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होता है थोड़ा टाइम लगता है तो इसको यू राइट लाइक दिस इफ यू गेट कंफ्यूज यू कैन राइट बाय 15 by 120 150 so we are going to get it as a 1 by 10 it is nothing but 0.1 to avoid confusion I'm saying directly also you can say that 0.1 iron. So 0.1 is the common ratio. And asking you to find out the S20. So R value is less than 1 here. If R value is less than 1, Sn value, Sn is equals to A into, see, less than 1 means 1 minus R I have. 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus R. If R value is greater than 1, A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So do remember that one here. Simple here. If you less than 1 only, if you take less than 1, ये ले लिया तो 1 value, ये negative में आ जाएगा ना sum. Sum we are going to get in negative. So that's why better, that is easy to remember here, not complicated. So yes, 20 is equals to A value is 0.15, 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power of 20. N value is 20, na? 1 minus R. So 1 minus 0.1. इसको 0.1 whole to the power of 20 is nothing but 0.00001. So you can keep it as it is also. It's not here. Here 1 minus 0.1 plus 0.9. So you can write it as a 0.15 by 0.9 into 1 minus 0.1 whole to the power of 20. That's all. Because it is very lengthy when you are writing 0.1 to the power of 20. 0.1 to the power of 20 लिखना तो 0.00019 times 0 लिख के 1 लिखना. So it is meaningless. No need to write like that. Just you can leave it the answer like this. Okay. So next 8th question is given to you. Same like this only. So question number 8. So what is given? Root 7, root 7, root 21. Next 3 root 7. and so on. And some of the n terms. N terms is asked. So how to find out here? What is A here? Actually, whenever you are observing here, A is equals to root 7 and R is equals to root 21 by root 7. This is nothing but root 3 is the common. So root 3, whenever you are multiplying this one, this is 3 root 7 आता है. सही है, वो check करना है whether it is geometric progression or you have to check. Actually, these are all geometric progression, but the question is given sequence बोल के mention कर लिया. So yes, geometric progression already दे दिया है, it's not a problem, and you need to find out Sn. Root 3 value क्या है? Greater than 1. Then Sn formula is 1 minus 1. A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. So A is equals to root 7. Root 7 into R value is root 3 to the power of n minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. As root 3 minus 1 is a irrational number, rationalize कर सकते हैं. So root 3 plus 1, if you multiply here numerator and denominator, we are going to get root 7 by 3 minus 1, 2i. So root 3 to the power of n minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Okay. Next, ninth question is here. These are all the questions you can expect as an objective type of questions. Objective type का expect कर सकते हैं. Question number 9. So what is given here? 1 comma minus a comma a square, 1 comma minus a comma a square comma minus a cube, and so on. And asking you to find out the n terms. And here it is given to you if a is not equals to minus 1. A is not equals to minus 1 is condition is given. Mostly conditions we will forget. Conditions भूलना नहीं है. आप लोग conditions भूल जाते हैं normally. Okay. So A is equals to 1 and R is equals to minus A by 1, minus A. If why it is given A is not equals to 1? Can anyone say? If A equal to minus 1, what happens? If A equal to minus 1, what happens? वन हो जाएगा, सारा टर्म्स वन रहेगा. सिर्फ Sn इक्वल टू क्या होगा? What is Sn? 1, 1, 1, 3 times, 3, 4 times, 4, n times, n. That is only the difference here. Okay. And if it is A equal to 1 हो जाएगा, if A equal to 1 है, then what do you get? Some. So if it is contains the even number of terms, if it is there, it becomes the 0. Odd number of terms are there in the sequence, it becomes the 1. So that is these also conditions. See, a question if it is given to you, only that question you are not supposed to solve. Every time I used to insist you this thing. Don't solve only the given question only. इधर तो given question easily solve कर सकते हैं. SM है. SM, how do you find out here? A value is not equals to minus 1 is given. It is not equals to minus 1. So here R value you can take it. Sn is equals to A into R n minus 1 by R minus 1. So what do you get here? A is equals to 1. R value minus A. Minus A to the power of n. Minus 1 by minus A minus 1. Or you can write here because you don't know the A value. A value may be greater than 1 or less than 1. It depending upon the A, it is going to decide. So you can get the formula Sn is equals to A into 1 minus R to the power of n by 1 minus R also asked. So A value here 1 है. A is nothing but first term hai. Don't get confused here. And R is the minus A. So 1 minus A to the power of n by 1 plus A. So you can take this one or this one. Both are the same in this form. Okay. So don't get confused with that. And 10th question is given x cube, x power 5, x power 7. 10th one is x cube, x power 5, x power 7, and so on. In this, it is asking you to find out the n terms one. Here also n terms is asking. So a is equals to x cube hai, r is equals to x square. X is not equal to plus or minus 1. Plus minus 1 nahi hai x. X plus minus 1 nahi hai. Okay, so that is the condition is given to here. It is given x is not equals to plus or minus 1. So Sn formula you have to use. Sn is equals to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1, which is equals to x cube into x to the power of 2n minus 1 by x square minus 1. Just a formula and substituting in that. And coming to the 11th question here, it is given to you something in a different series is given to you. Indirectly series is given to you. 11th one. So what is the question? Sequence. Evaluate just k equal to, it is given to you. Evaluate. What is this one? Summation. Yes, summation. Sigma symbol hai summation. K is equals to 1 to 11. 2 plus 3 power k. 2 plus 3 power k. So that is nothing but k equal to 1 ले लिया तो एक expression. K equal to 2 ले लिया तो other average expression. The दोनों का sum करने के लिए symbol we are using. And in case if it is given to you, use the pi symbol. Multiplication के लिए. Pi k is equals to 1 to 11 if it is given at 2 plus same question 3 power k if it is given to you. This meaning क्या है? 2 plus 3 power 1 into 2 plus 3 power 2 into 2 plus 3 power 3 into here it is given to you sigma. So now here plus आ जाएगा. Sigma if it is given. Sigma means summation. Pi means product. Okay. So pi value is pi related question is not given to you here. Just I am giving to you as the situation can explain to you. So इसको expand कर लिया तो what do you get? 2 plus 3 power 1 plus 2 plus 3 power 2 plus and so on 2 plus 3 power 11. Now here you can write here all the 2's you write together. 2 plus 2 plus and so on 2. How many times आएगा? ये 11 times 2 आएगा. 11 times plus 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2 plus and so on 3 power 11. Okay, this is the geometric progression. The complete sequence is not the geometric progression. Complete sequence is not geometric progression. ये sequence geometric progression नहीं है. इसको कुछ multiply कर लिया तो ये नहीं आएगा. In this one part is geometric progression. You need to observe. So what is the this sum here? This sum is equals to 11 into 2. 11 times 2 multiplying 11 times is nothing but 11 into 2 plus the sum of the geometric progression. A is equals to 3, R is equals to 3, which is greater than 1, and N is equals to 11. So Sn formula is A into R to the power of n lena. So A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1, because R value is greater than 1. So what do you get here? 22 plus A is equals to 3 into R value also 3 power 11 minus 1 by 3 power 3 minus 1. So which is equals to 22 plus 3 by 2 of 3 power 11 minus 1. You can keep it as it is. 3 power 11 value find out karna hai, it is that much not needed. 3 power 9 value is 19,683. Previously in the question we have seen 3 power 9. And that you have to 19,683 you multiply by the 9, because 3 power 11 hai na. So you can keep the answer like this also. In case if the question is given to you, वो भी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. 19,683 ऑलरेडी द प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम इज गिवन. प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में क्या आंसर दिया? आंसर क्या दिया? ऐसे ही दिया. सिंप्लीफाई भी कर सकते हैं. बस थोड़ा सा ये क्या है ना, इससे क्या होता है ना, हमारा मीन्स यू कैन रिमेम्बर द 3 power 9 वैल्यू. ये 19,683 2-3 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है ना दिमाग में, याद रहेगा 3 power 9 वैल्यू. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दैट. इवन आई टू नॉट रिमेम्बर 3 power 9 वैल्यू 19,683. अब 2-3 बार ऐसा मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, इवन यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेम्बर दैट. सो 19,683 को 9 मल्टीप्लाई करो, सिंप्लीफाई करो, वो भी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगी. नॉर्मल भी मल्टीप्लाई करना ज्यादा टाइम लगता है 3 power 11 वैल्यू 5. ओके. और अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट इट एज ए, थोड़ा सा टाइम सेव करना है तो 3 square होल टू द पावर ऑफ 5 into 3, 9 to the power of 5 into 3. 9 power 5 थोड़ा सा easily find out कर. If you not remember 19,683, ये 19,683 किधर से आया? Already we have solved one problem ना from there. Okay. Next. Very interesting question 12th one. Twelfth one is the sum of the first 3 terms of the geometric progression is 39 by 10. Sum of first 3 terms of geometric progression is 39 by 10. And the product is 1. Product is equals to 1. And ask you to find the common ratio and the terms. 3 terms is given. And whenever 3 terms given, first term A, AR square consider karte hai, nahi hai. Already we have discussed. Odd number of terms if it is given to you, 3 terms if it is given to you, the 3 terms should be taken as a by R, A AR. If 5 terms are given to you, A by R square, A by R, A, AR, AR square, 5 terms. If 4 terms are given to you, 4 terms of the geometric progression, and because the product, whenever product will be given to you, like this product is one, bola hai na, like this product will be given to you. So when the product is given to you, the 4 terms, whenever it is given to you, 4 terms should be taken as in the what way? A by R cube, A by R, AR cube. In this, common ratio is R square over. You have to consider the terms like this, so that the product, whenever you are finding, this and this will get cancelled. A directly aa jayega. You are going to get the A directly. So here, in this situation, we need to consider the first 3 terms of the geometric progression. So let the 3 terms of the geometric progression as, let 3 terms of geometric progression as A by R, A and AR. A by R, A. And it is given that product is given, product is equals to 1. So तीनों को multiply करो, A by R into A into AR. This is equals to 1. Into है ये, confuse मत हो जाओ. So RR will get cancelled. So A cube is equals to 1. A cube is equals to 1 means A equal to 1. A is equals to 1. And also given that, given sum is equals to 39 by 10. So A by R plus A plus AR is equals to 39 by 10. ये वैल्यू 1 है ना, 1 लिखो, सिंप्लीफाई करो. 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equals to 39 by 10. 1 को राइट साइड लेके. So what do you get here? 1 by R plus R is equals to 39 by 10 minus 1. 1 plus R square by R is equals to, right? So cross multiply करो. 10 R square plus 10 is equals to 29 R. So 10 R square minus 29 R plus 10 is equals to 0. 25 4 is 100. 10 into 10, 100. 25 4 is 100. 29 the factorization, 25 into 25 and 4 should be taken. 10r square minus 25r minus 4r plus 10 is equals to 0. So here from this 5r you can take the common. So 2r minus 5 minus, you can take the 2 common. 2r minus 5 is equals to 0. 2r minus 5, 5r minus 2 is equals to 0. So r is equals to 5 by 2 or 2 by 5. दोनों हो सकता है. If r is equals to 5 by 2, if r is equals to 5 by 2, then terms are, what are the terms we are going to get? R equal to 5 by 2 means a by r. A is 1. 1 by 5 by 2. 1 comma a into r means 5 by 2. So that is implies 2 by 5 comma 1 comma 5 by 2 we are going. If r is equals to 2 by 5, then terms are 1 by 2 by 5, 1 by 2 by 5 comma 1 comma 2 by 5 into 1. So this implies that 5 by 2 comma 1 comma 2 by 5. So actually the terms are same terms, but the first term and the third term is changing. So but सेम कंडीशन हो जाएगा. ये तीनों को प्रोडक्ट कर लो 1 आ जाएगा, ये तीनों को प्रोडक्ट कर लो 1, एंड these three sum 39 बैठे, that three sum 39 बैठे. समझ में आया ना? ओके.